struggle to conceive is super common. I think if you Google that, you're going to see that about 1 out of every 7 couples are struggling with infertility. So if you take that number, I mean, there's probably several people in your just close friend group that are struggling with infertility. The biggest thing is people don't want to discuss that, particularly around their friends and family that they're having success and they aren't. So it's not really a topic people like to talk about. So the biggest hurdle is just, deciding when is the time to go see somebody and talk and discuss that, a medical provider. And for most women and couples, that first step's your general OB-GYN, and they can do, some initial evaluation and decide from that point, is it time to go see an infertility specialist to help, or you can self-refer yourself, of course. Just making that initial step's the hardest part.